Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a really dynamic platform called SK Academy. Their guiding motto is where knowledge meets innovation, and we're going to unpack exactly what that means as we go. But at its core, this platform is strictly focused on helping you master the exact technologies that are shaping our future right now. Look, if you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by how fast digital transformation is happening and just wanted a clear, guided path forward, you're in the right place. We're going to break down exactly how this curriculum operates.
So, let me ask you, are you ready to succeed in the AI era? I know, it sounds a bit intense, right? But it's a serious question we all absolutely need to be asking ourselves. The digital landscape is evolving at breakneck speed, and honestly, falling behind just isn't an option anymore. Today, we're looking at a comprehensive roadmap for building the critical, modern skills you need to not just navigate but actually leverage this new era. It's really all about taking total control of your own learning curve.
At its foundation, SK Academy is a learning platform dedicated to empowering people through technology and education. And the key here is that it focuses on making advanced technology accessible to absolutely everyone. This isn't about gatekeeping knowledge behind incredibly expensive boot camps or massive institutional walls. It's about breaking down incredibly complex tech and handing you the tools so you can actually use it in your everyday life and career.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, Empowering Tech Innovators Everywhere. Let's see exactly who this platform is built for.
The platform actually maps out its audience against some highly specific goals. It's kind of like a custom roadmap. If you're a student or a PhD candidate, the focus is squarely on academic excellence. For the software developers and engineers out there, the curriculum pivots toward building out scalable apps, working with APIs, and setting up cloud infrastructure. And if you're an entrepreneur or a startup founder, it gives you the precise step-by-step frameworks needed for startup creation. So whether you're deep in academia or out there building a modern SaaS business, this structure is designed to support and accelerate your unique goals.
Moving right along to Section 2, the Blueprint for Success. Here's a look at what you'll actually be learning.
The first major pillar here is artificial intelligence and generative AI. And to be clear, this goes way beyond just casually chatting with ChatGPT or Claude. We're talking about mastering tools like Gemini and NotebookLM, building your own autonomous AI agents, and really mastering the intricacies of prompt engineering and automation. It's all about understanding how to leverage generative AI workflows to completely revolutionize how you work. You're effectively learning how to turn AI into a super reliable co-pilot for literally any project. But to really make that AI sing, you need robust technical foundations. That's the second pillar. This covers core languages like Python, Java, and C++, which are basically the backbone of modern web and mobile app development. It also covers Git and GitHub, and then it dives incredibly deeply into the data side of things. By covering machine learning, deep learning, big data analytics, and cloud computing, it provides this complete start-to-finish ecosystem of technical skills. These are the exact skills that actually power the AI tools we were just talking about.
Okay. So once you have those technical skills locked down, the next pillar focuses on applying them to business and finance. This is where it merges professional trading with entrepreneurship. We're talking about everything from SaaS development and digital marketing all the way over to futures trading, order flow, and volume profile. It even dives heavily into risk management and trading psychology. Because as anyone who has ever stared at a trading chart knows, the market has a very unique way of testing your sanity, right? The core objective here is turning your tech skills into actual, scalable revenue.
Now, for those of you in academia, the curriculum has a final pillar that pivots right into scientific research. It uniquely supports researchers targeting Scopus publications and Web of Science. You get fundamental research methodology alongside crucial organizational tools like Zotero and Mendeley. It even tackles LaTeX, and if you've ever wrestled with formatting a complex academic paper, you know LaTeX is both a brilliant blessing and an absolute curse. Most innovatively, though, it teaches you how to use AI specifically for research, bridging that gap between traditional academia and cutting-edge tech.
Which brings us nicely to Section 3, Practical, Real-World Learning.
The methodology used here heavily favors practical, real-world skills over dry theoretical knowledge. The platform intentionally steps away from abstract theory. Instead, it uses a project-based approach so you're actually building something tangible as you learn. It's designed to be highly practical, completely step-by-step, and genuinely beginner-friendly. This ensures you aren't just memorizing facts to pass a test, you're developing real-world competencies.
The whole point is to gain skills that you can immediately apply in your studies, your careers, and your businesses. That is absolutely the ultimate takeaway from this. Whether you're trying to streamline a corporate project, launch a new side hustle, or ace a massive research paper, the focus is strictly on real-world application from day one. It's about transforming the knowledge you acquire into actionable momentum right away.
And that leads us to our final part, Section 4, Your Journey Begins Today. Let's look at the long-term vision.
The long-term vision follows a really simple, cohesive four-step pathway. Step 1, learn those new digital workflows. Step 2, innovate, meaning you take that newly acquired knowledge and start thinking differently to solve old, complex problems. Step 3 is build, which means actually putting your hands on the keyboard to write the code, launch the startup, or publish that research. And finally, step 4 is succeed, achieving true digital transformation and excellence in whatever field you happen to choose. As their official ethos states, welcome to SK Academy, where your journey toward excellence begins today. It's a great reminder that continuous learning and adapting to digital transformation are totally essential for navigating today's landscape. If this explainer has sparked your curiosity about their curriculum, definitely look into their community. And hey, share this with friends or colleagues who are also looking to level up their skills right now.
With all of these amazing tools, generative AI, advanced data science, robust entrepreneurship strategies, and cutting-edge research methodologies literally right at your fingertips, will you be the one to build a better future? The resources are absolutely out there. The roadmap is crystal clear. The only question left is what you will choose to transform your knowledge into today.